Hello, can you hear me? Anyone here? Can you hear me? Hello, I hope you're doing well. Today's topic is a little different. I'm not going to talk about products. I'm not going to talk about the brands. And I'm definitely not going to talk about prices. Instead, I'd like to talk about mistakes. Not because the people aren't professional, but because I see the same situations happening again and again. Sometimes very small mistakes made before placing an order can cost much more than the spare parts itself. Over the years, I've noticed seven mistakes that appear more often than any others. Maybe you experienced some of them yourself. So let's get started. Mistake number one: ordering by part number only. Many buyers believe that sending a part number is enough. Sometimes it really is, but very often it isn't. Manufacturers update machines, part numbers are replaced, engine have different versions, even two machines that look identical may require different components. That's why I always recommend including the machine serial number, the engine serial numbers, and the nameplates. It takes only a minute, but it can prevent very expensive mistakes later. The second one is a real example. Let me tell you a short story. A customer once contacted us looking for the lowest possible price. We prepared several options. The cheapest one was not the one we recommended. Why? Because we know his machine was working in a quarry almost every day. For equipment operating under a heavy load, reliability is usually much more important than saving a few $100s. He listened to our recommendation, chose the better quality option, and and say to us, "Yes, okay, I'm sure with you." Mistakes number two: buying only the cheapest options. Everyone wants to save money. That's completely understandable. But there's one question I always ask myself: what will this part actually cost? If it is files too yearly, a low price can sometimes mean shorter sales life, lower manufacturer quality, or unexpected downtime. The real goal isn't buying the cheapest part, it's buying the best solution. Mistake number three: ignoring delivery time. Many inquiries begin with one simple question: what's your price? But I believe another question is just as important: when can you ship? Imagine that your excavator or your drilling machine is standing still. Every extra day means lost productivity. Sometimes paying a little more to receive the part sooner actually saves money. Another example: I remember one shipment where everything was ready, the parts were packed, the export documents has been prepared, the truck was scheduled. Then we noticed that the delivery address wasn't complete. One small detail caused an unusual delay. Since then, I will always advise customers to double check every shipping detail before dispatch. Mistake number four: looking only the product's price. I've seen buyers compare quotations without looking at freight cost. One supplier offers a cheaper part, another offers a more expensive part. At first, the cheaper option looks better, But after adding transportation insurance, and custom expenses, the final cost can be completely different. Always compare the total landed cost, not only the product price. Mistake number 5, skipping technical verification. Personally, I think this is one of the biggest mistakes. Never assume every part number is correct. Ask your supplier to verify compatibility. A professional supplier should ask questions. If no one asks anything, that isn't always a good signal. Sometimes questions prevent problems. Maybe you remember, sometimes we ask you very much questions about where are you from, what is your company details, give us the company details, can you check the part number is correct or not, give us the serial number for the engine or nameplate from the machine. This is very important questions to us. Mistake number 6, sending incomplete inquiries. The more information you provide, the better your supplier can help. Machine model, serial number, engine model, photos, required quantities, destination country. All these details help avoid misunderstandings and speed up the entire process. Mistake number 7. Yeah, 7. Believing that every aftermarket part is low quality. This is probably one of the biggest myths in our industry. Some aftermarket manufacturers produce excellent products, others don't. Exactly the same can be said about many other products in the market. The important thing is not the label, it's choosing a reliable manufacturer and the right product for your application. This is why our company STOPARTS have all inside of working inside of company. I mean manufacturing, quality control, quality test, packaging control, and others. My personal opinion, after many years in this business, I've come to one conclusion. We are not really selling spare parts only. We are helping customers reduce risks, avoid downtime, keep their machining working. Sometimes the best service we provide is simply helping someone avoid making a costly mistake. Thank you for very much for spending your time with me today. I truly appreciate it. Now I'd like to ask you something. Which of these mistakes do you think is most common? Or maybe you experienced a different one. If so, please share it in the comments. I really enjoy reading your stories. If you found today's discussion useful, please support the channel with a like and consider subscribing. Every week, I'll be sharing practical knowledge, real situations, and useful advice from the heavy equipment spare parts industry. Thank you again. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Regards from STOPARTS Ltd.